It's time for match number 33 of this year's Indian Premier League. It's Delhi versus Hyderabad. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. Delhi Capitals are all set to face the Sunrisers Hyderabad in match number 33 of the 2021 Indian Premier League on Wednesday, 22nd September at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. In this video, you will get the weather report, pitch report, stadium states, head-to-head records, analysis, both teams playing 11, match prediction, toss time and playing time, and live telecast about the 33rd match of Indian Premier League between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Delhi Capitals. Let's start. The 33rd match of this year's Indian Premier League between Delhi Capitals vs Sunrisers Hyderabad will be played at Dubai International Cricket Stadium in Dubai at 7:30 pm Indian time and 2 pm GMT. SRH team tentatively playing 11 for 33rd match of IPL. David Warner, Captain Kane Williamson, wicketkeeper Wriddhiman Saha, Manish Pandey, Vijay Shankar, Mohammad Dami और Stephen Rithaward, Jason Holder, Abdul Samad, Rashid Khan, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Sandeep Sharma and Khalil Ahmed. DC team tentatively playing 11 for 33rd match of IPL. Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, Steven Smith और सिमरन हेटमायर, कैप्टन एंड विकेटकीपर ऋषभ पंत, मार्कस स्टोइनिस, रविचंद्रन अश्विन, अक्षर पटेल, कगिसो रबाडा, एंड्रिक नोकिया and Aviz Khan. The 33rd match of Vivo IPL between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Delhi Capitals will be played at Dubai International Cricket Stadium in Dubai. Head-to-head starts. Overall, total 19 T20I matches have been played between both of the teams, out of which Delhi Capitals have won 8 matches and Sunrisers Hyderabad have won 11 matches. In the UAE, total 4 matches have been played, out of which Delhi Capitals have won 1 match and Sunrisers Hyderabad have won 3 matches. Stadium states. In this Dubai International Stadium, total 95 T20I matches have been played, out of which the batting first team have won 40 T20I matches and the bowling first team have won 54 T20I matches. One match was tied. Highest team score in this stadium is 219 for 2 wickets by Sunrisers Hyderabad vs Delhi Capitals in 2020 and the lowest team score is 59 all out by Lahore Qalandar vs Peshawar Zalmi in 2017. The average first inning score in this stadium is 156 runs. Venue details and history. These are all the history and details of Dubai International Stadium in Dubai. Top run scorers in Delhi vs Hyderabad match. Number 1, Shikhar Dhawan. The dashing opener has played for both Delhi and Hyderabad across the seasons and has been a part of this fixture 24 times. Currently in Delhi, Dhawan has scored 791 runs for and against Hyderabad at an average of 37.66. David Warner. Another hard-hitting opener, Warner has been played 22 Delhi Capitals vs Sunrisers Hyderabad matches. He too has been a part of both franchises. Currently he is with Sunrisers Hyderabad and has scored 682 runs for and against Delhi. Top wicket takers from Delhi vs Hyderabad match. Number 1, Amit Misra. The veteran leg spinner has played 26 Delhi vs Hyderabad matches across the season and has been a part of both franchises. In this fixture, Misra has taken the most wickets with 26 wickets. Number 2, Rashid Khan. Afghanistan leggy is the second highest wicket taker in Delhi vs Hyderabad fixture. Hyderabad's Rashid has played 11 matches and has taken 14 wickets against Delhi. Delhi Capitals team news. In Delhi Capitals, Kulwant Khizrolia replaces M. Siddharth and Ben Warsis replaces Chris Vokes. Sunrisers Hyderabad team news. Sunrisers Hyderabad have only one change. Sarfan Rutherford replaces Johnny Bairstow. Weather report. It should be another warm and sunny evening in Dubai with an average temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. The humidity level should once again be pretty high. Pitch report. The pitch in Dubai has been a fairly good one for batting, but the track tends to become a tad tough to bat on as games progress. Hence, batting first and putting turns on the board should be on the way forward. The spinners and pacers are expected to get help in equal proportion. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between Sunrisers Hyderabad vs Delhi Capitals will be played at 7 pm Indian time and the playing time will start at 7:30 pm Indian time. Live telecast and live streaming. You can watch the live match of Delhi Capitals vs Sunrisers Hyderabad at All Star Sports Network. For online, you can watch in Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. So, after all the analysis, the match prediction is Delhi Capitals will win this match. So, according to you, who will win this match? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.